Hello, my friends. Are you struggling to draw faces? Don't worry. Let's draw together. Start with a simple circle. You can draw it freehand or use any circular object. It's totally fine. Now draw a vertical line right through the center. Take your time and add 3 horizontal lines. One near the top, one in the middle, and one near the bottom. These guidelines will help us build the face correctly. This is the basic face structure. Now let's start drawing. Let's start by drawing the eyebrows first. This step helps set the expression of the face. Don't worry about making them perfect. Take your time, keep your lines light, and let the shape come naturally. Remember, this is just a sketch. You can always adjust and improve as you go. Now let's start drawing the hair. We'll come back to the hair later. For now, let's complete the face details. Next, I'm going to draw the nose. Start from the nose tip line and keep your strokes light. Don't worry about details yet. Focus on the basic shape. Take your time and make small adjustments as you go. Once the nose is in place, the face will start to come together. We can't draw a perfect face on the first try, and that's completely natural. Every sketch is part of the learning process. Next, we'll draw the lips. Begin by finding the center and sketching the basic shape. Focus on the overall form before adding any details. Lips don't need heavy outlines. Subtle lines make them look more natural. Relax and take your time with this step. Now it's time to complete the hair. Go back to the hairline and refine the overall shape. Add volume first, then slowly build in texture. Use flowing strokes and follow the natural direction of the hair. Now it's time to draw the eyes. First, I draw 2 light lines to guide the size and position of the eyes. These guidelines help keep both eyes balanced and aligned. Take your time with this step. It makes a big difference. Once the guides are in place, we can start shaping the eyes. Focus on the basic shape first, not the details. Keep your strokes light and adjust as you go. Remember, eyes don't have to be perfect. Balance is more important. Take your time and enjoy the process. Okay, let's start with the eyelashes. Use soft, light strokes and let them flow outward naturally. Now add the iris in the center of the eye. Keep the shape round and simple. Don't over-detail it yet. These small steps will slowly bring the eyes to life. Let's add some details and make it more realistic. If you want a detailed video on this, comment details below, and I'll upload a full step-by-step tutorial soon. And now the sketch is complete. From a simple circle to a finished face, step by step. Remember, practice is the key. Don't rush the process and enjoy every sketch you make. If you like this video, let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one. Stay sketchy.